In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove text from an image using Canva in just 5 minutes. Whether you want a clean slate to redesign or simply need to make some text disappear, Canva makes it remarkably easy to manage elements in your images. So let's dive right in and get started. First, head over to canva.com. If you don't have an account yet, it's time to sign up, but if you already have one, simply sign in using your preferred method. You can log in using Google, Facebook, or with an email address for convenience. Just click the login button found on the upper right corner of the home page to get started. Once you've logged in, it's time to select the project you want to work with. You might be starting a new design, or maybe you have an existing project where you need to tweak some elements. In either case, choose your project and let's proceed. Now, if your image isn't already uploaded to Canva, you'll want to do that first. You can click to upload a new image from your device, or you can browse through your library if it's an image you've used before. Uploading is straightforward and in no time your image will be ready for editing. With your image on the screen, the next thing you should do is select it. Once selected, go ahead and click on Edit Photo, which you'll find in the menu above the Work area. It's here where the magic happens, as Canva provides some incredible tools for editing photos. Navigate to the Magic Studio tab, which houses the features we need for this task. Within Magic Studio, you'll find an option labeled Grab Text. This is where you need to click next. The Grab Text feature is a smart tool that scans the image and highlights any detected text. You'll notice that it gives you the option to select specific text blocks or even choose to select all text if you want to grab everything at once. This is exceptionally handy if your image contains multiple lines or paragraphs of text. Now that you have highlighted the text you want to work on, you have a couple of options. You can either click on Grab to convert the text into an editable form. This allows you to move it around, replace it with new text, or make any modifications you desire. Alternatively, if your goal is just removal, simply delete the highlighted text and it's gone from your image. There you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily remove text from an image using Canva. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore and try the different features Canva has to offer. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.